So now here let us just meditate on the Rupa Goswami. What is he telling? He is telling we should be serious. How a devotee should be serious? Because there is a shloka, no? Hari Hari Vifale Janma. Oh my Lord, I have uselessly wasted my time. So Rupa Goswami, he is a great acharya, he is a Sampradaya acharya, and he has given certain things which we should cultivate, as a devotee in a personal life. So what are they? Rupa Goswami says, number one thing, Shanti. You should be very reserved and perseverant. Correct? That is the Prabhupada showed in his personal life. Perseverant. Kept pushing on Krishna consciousness all his life. And then, next thing, Avyartha Kalatvam. Not waste a single moment. Prabhupada did not waste. Many times Prabhupada told the old disciples, the Acharya, see, just like me, I don't waste a single moment. You should also not waste any moment. In fact, Prabhupada used to laugh seeing his disciples. He said, just like Krishna gave to the Pandavas in 18 days whole world, he can give you. But you are not qualified. You will only sleep after that. Therefore, we should keep ourselves, we should not waste time. We should be busily engaged in devotional service. We should detach from material attraction. That is the one which will kill us. We should have virakti, complete virakti from material attractions. These are all symptoms of an advanced devotee. You should not long for any material respect in return. In this world we are looking, people are just running for that somehow in a society to develop name and fame. Because why? People are envious of each other. Usko dikhana hai. Somebody was telling, I want to buy Innova and show to my one uncle. Usko dikhana hai, mama ko dikhana hai. Arey kya dikhaoge? Why you want to waste your time over that? Man shunyata, not interested in all this society respect. Let people say whatever they want to say. We have something to do. Correct. People have only these things to do in a temporary, short, few minutes life. Prabhupada says everybody is only a dead body, flapping his hands and legs for a few minutes. That's all. That is how we should see the birth of the Acharya. We are all dead bodies, just flapping hands and legs for some time, and that's all. In this short time, we want some so-called respect. If you want to be recognized, let us be recognized by Krishna. And you should be certain that Krishna will bestow his mercy upon me. So, Asha Bandaha. You should be completely certain. Yes, Krishna is so kind. Definitely one day he will bestow his mercy upon me. Today, a long way ago, long far away. As Rupa Goswami also says that, hope against hope. You are far away from being called even a devotee of Krishna. Devotee of Krishna is a very big thing. A long, far away from that. So that hope should be there. As I engage seriously in Krishna consciousness, one day definitely Krishna will show his mercy. And I should always be very eager to serve the Lord faithfully. Samut Kantha. Very faithfully, you should be eager. Yes, Krishna, I am ready for your service. And you should be very eager to glorify the Lord by chanting and hearing. Nama Gane Sada Ruchihi. This is the qualities of an advanced devotee. Nama Gane Sada Ruchihi. And always eager. And these are the taste actually. We get virakti, we get detachment from sense gratification, that is the advancement, sign of advancement. And we develop so much eagerness to chant about the Lord. In Bhagavatam, what we hear, every time there is an opportunity, somebody asks, can you tell about Krishna? When Vidura asked Uddhava, can you tell something about Krishna? Uddhava went into some trance. And Vidura was just looking at it. What is happening? You could see how Uddhava is considered one of the topmost devotees of Lord Krishna. You could see that person. In Dwaraka, Uddhava was the topmost devotee. You could see that person. And then that eagerness, always you see, where Parikshit Maharaj discussed on Sunday, he asked Shukadeva Goswami, tell me about Krishna. He said, Variyam Eshate Krishna. So nice. Suta Goswami also says, so wonderful you are asking about Krishna. Maitreya also is so happy to describe Krishna. You see, Bhagavatam, all the speakers are so much relish in talking about Krishna. So this is how it is. It's not, we hear Prabhupada say the Bhagavatam should not be done as a business. Then both the hearer and speaker will go to hell. Wise man should be always eager to glorify, that is Namagani Sadaruchi, and always eager to describe the transcendental qualities of the Lord. Asaktis Taduguna Akhyane. So much pleasure in glorifying the name, form, paraphernalia, pastimes of the Lord. He is so much eager for that. And we should be attracted to those places the Lord has pastime. So he is always eager. Sometimes he gets an opportunity. Prabhupada said, yes, we should not abandon service for going to the dhamas. But whenever opportunity comes, we should be very eager. Yes. We should not say, oh, I will not. No, we should be eager. Opportunity is there. Yes, go to the holy places and take. Priti stad vashati sthale. So this is the qualities of a devotee. And these qualities of a devotee, as said by Rupa Goswami, where Rupa Goswami is not only telling, you could see in his personal life, all these things were there personally. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, go to Vrindavan, establish Vrindavan. It was all broken by Aurangzeb and his grandchildren or whatever. And one by one established all the places of worship of the Lord. And he was not even sleeping for 2 hours every day. And all the time writing and glorifying the qualities of the Lord. In fact, when he used to come to Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya used to personally come and meet him every day. In the house of Vilas Thakur, which was so pleased. Once he had written something about Krishna's Leela in 2 dramas, and when he was explaining, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so much struck with wonder. He had written, but his handwriting was like pearls, a row of pearls. And you just imagine actually. And then when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to hear, he brought his whole party. One day he just heard 1 or 2 verses, he was amazed. Then he brought his whole party to his house. And party means Ramananda Raya, and he brought Sarva Damodar to that place, and he said, now you speak. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was amazed how he was glorified. In fact, some of the prayers that we have come from Rupa Goswami, prayers to Lord Chaitanya. So he was very expert. So it's not that he is simply speaking. Our disqualification is that we speak so many things, but if somebody looks at us, we have 0 qualities. But Rupa Goswami, when he is seeing these are the qualities of a devotee, get everything. Prabhupada, when he is explaining these qualities, he showed personally everything. That is what the genuineness struck the devotees. He was like a jewel, but undiscovered in India. Lying like a jewel. He was a jewel. But that is, imagine, that is how India has become. A person, a pure devotee of Krishna, but lying undiscovered in India till 70 years. Nobody knew. Great personality. He was recognized, even these things. Actually, America is a tamasic place. But somehow those youngsters had no fuzzy ideas about spiritual life. In India, it's all hodgepodge ideas everybody had about. So it's so difficult to preach actually. Somebody was telling, I keep telling our brothers and sisters, why do you chant Hare Krishna? Hare, what is there? So many gods are there. You can meditate on anything. This is a kind of hodgepodge nonsense any fool will tell you. No knowledge who is Krishna. No knowledge. And no knowledge how we should. Prabhupada said very observed service is lost in this country. What they will know. It's like pantheism. People are stuck to. They don't know the unique position of Krishna. They don't know what is God actually. Some fuzzy things. In fact, when I met devotees, I asked, what is the condition? Prabhupada also said, very sad condition. The devotee said, it is an ocean of confusion. Right? So here is the ocean of confusion. Rupa Goswami is pointing out, no, you should focus on Krishna, and these are the qualities you should try to cultivate. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.